Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to be finishing our lion project. I am going to teach you how to draw the face of the lion right here in the yellow rectangle. If you already drew a face, I will give you a new yellow piece of paper because I want you to follow these directions and draw along with me. So the first thing, everyone is going to grab a black crayon. I think black will look best. And you are going to start by finding the middle of your rectangle, and you are going to draw a small triangle in the middle of your rectangle, and then you can color that in. Your triangle should point down. So if you look at mine, my triangle points down, and that is the lion's nose. Now we're going to bring from the point a small line down, just small, just short, not very long at all. And then from this line, we're going to go to this corner. And then we're going to go from this line to this corner. And that is where the lion's mouth is going to be. Now we're going to draw the bridge of the lion's nose. And it's going to go from the top corner of the triangle all the way up. And then we'll do that same exact thing on the other side. So the top corner all the way up. Okay. Now we're going to draw his eyes. We want his eyes to be up here close to the top, and you can just draw a circle with a black dot in the middle. He looks scared. And come over here and draw a circle about the same size. If it's a little bit different, that's okay. And a black circle in the middle. You could give him eyelashes if you wanted to. You could give him eyebrows and make him look mad if you wanted to. Your choice. And then we are going to draw the mouth and the cheeks. Okay, so now we are going to draw some triangle teeth. Make them razor sharp because this is a lion. We'll draw them along the top and along the bottom of where his mouth is. And then we can color this space in. But be careful to color around your teeth so that they show up. Be real careful. Be sure that you take your time and color in solid. You want the mouth between the teeth to be solid black. You can turn your paper to help you get in those tight little areas, and just color solid and neatly on this part. Okay, now we are going to draw some whiskers. So down here between the nose and the mouth, we're just going to draw maybe 3 whiskers going out. And then our very last thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw the lion's ears. And we're going to start here and do just like a little half circle. We're going to color those in, press down really hard. So one on the right and one on the left. So like just a little ear. Lions don't have really big ears. They have some small ears. Okay, so just like that. Now, you may have noticed that when you added water to your lines, it might have made them all the way disappear. I can still see these lines, but like this line, you can't see it. I can't see this line. So what I'm going to do now, since I have the black in my hand, I'm just going to add a few more lines. I want to make my lion look like its mane is really furry. So I'm just kind of adding some wavy lines all the way around. I like to turn my paper as I draw, and I like to make sure that my lines go from the lion's face all the way off the edge of the paper. Now, I might like it this way, or I may say, I want to add some more color. And I might add some more color. I could add red. I could add orange. I could add any of the colors that I added last time. And then I'm just going to finish my lion that way. So I really liked my lines, but some of them are going away. So I'm going to just add them back. You may say, why are you doing all the same kind of line? Maybe I want to add some curlicue lines. We talked about line last week and added lots of lines. You want the mane to look full. lions' manes are really full and fluffy. So we want to be sure that we have plenty of lines coming out for the mane. If you weren't here last week, you can add different kinds of lines in whatever colors you'd like all around the white part of the paper. The students last week did this with marker and we wet it with water, but if you weren't here, you can do this with crayon. Now, if you were here and you did not finish wetting your markers, you can do that when you're totally finished with your crayon part of the project today. So you'll need to get totally finished and then you can get the water out.